al Salón Náutico Argentino.
IBI came to the boat show in Buenos Aires to find out why Argentina's boat builders and marine equipment importers said this is Latin America's second biggest market.
Argentina en los últimos años ha ido creciendo en calidad y en producción de embarcaciones deportivas.
Nosotros tenemos en el país alrededor de 120.000 embarcaciones matriculadas.
We've sold our first cruiser, Bayliner 310 that's here. So we're excited about what Argentina has to offer and the commitment that they have to a marine lifestyle.